Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I am going to get busy decorating my home for the 4th of July. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I cannot wait to get my decorations put out and start planning a wonderful barbecue picnic for the 4th of July holiday. I am so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time decorating my home in such beautiful patriotic colors. I'm super excited about the 4th of July and I cannot wait to celebrate with family and friends. I really appreciate you being here and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.